Alright everyone, welcome to a new possible sort of series, I guess, on my AutoHotKey scripts. So if you don't know what AutoHotKey is, it's pretty much a scripting language which allows you to automate virtually any task on your Windows PC. It's utterly unbelievable, and what I'm about to show you with mine is not even remotely close to what is possible. If you want to know what really is possible, go and watch Taran's YouTube channel. He's one of the editors on Linus Tech Tips, and he is unreal with this stuff. So I'm going to show you something that is comparatively a lot more simple, but I think it's very useful, and I'll explain why. So I've made a script. What it does is it opens any link that you click on in a private browser window. And how it does that is something that I can briefly explain here. So if you look here, this means right alt, and this means left mouse button. So when I hit right alt, which I've mapped to a button on my mouse, and the left mouse button, it will execute this here. So it sends the right mouse button, it does nothing for 100 milliseconds, and then it hits the letter P. And what that does is open any link in a private browsing window immediately. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like in action. So let's say someone sends you a link, but you want it opened in a private window for whatever reason, and I'll explain some after I do it. Normally, you'd have to right click on it and then go to open link in private window. That's 2 clicks and a small bit of mouse movement, and we cannot have that, that's too much work. So what the script does, when I hit that side mouse button and I hit left click while holding that side mouse button, it will open the link in a private tab by sending a right click and hitting the letter P. So I'm going to show you the script in action right now. Don't blink or you'll miss it. And that's it. So now I can view the page. Now why would I want to open a link like this link here to the Xbox One version of NBA 2K21 in a private window? Websites are known for having third-party persistent cookies, which are pretty much cookies that the likes of Google and such tend to drop into your browser and use to track your browsing across the internet. Now, why does a private browser stop this? With private browsing on any browser, the browser shouldn't remember what you do in a private window, and your history and your cookies will vanish when you close it. So once you've looked at your Amazon page, you can simply close the window like so, and then it all disappears. So you can of course apply this to YouTube videos, some sort of Google link. Perhaps someone sends you a news article that's known for dropping lots of these cookies. The possibilities are plentiful. Now if you want to use this yourself, you can. The link to this will be in the description below, although it really is just those lines of code, and you will also have to download AutoHotKey. And then once you do that, you'll be able to run the script just like that. So now that that's all done, I want to thank you very much for watching this. I have a hunch that this probably won't be as popular as other videos, but this is something that I'm sort of passionate about, so make sure you perform your relevant interactions, your likes and your subscribes and stuff, because they make videos like this flourish and be seen by more of the world. So with that out of the way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.